Hello dosto, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing good. So today we have a 900cc monster with us. I think this is the first time I'm featuring a 900cc motorcycle on the channel. I have ridden a few before and I have ridden a 1000cc motorcycle also before, but this is the first time I'm featuring a 900cc bike on the channel, and I'm looking at it right now. And if you see this motorcycle in public on the street, you won't even notice that it is a 900cc motor because it just blends in with the crowd. It is based on a retro classic design, and man oh man, they nailed it with that design. So without any further ado, let me show you the motorcycle. This is the Triumph Speed Twin 900, built to ride, built for fun, and built to personalize. Well, that's what Triumph likes to call it. It comes with 900cc 270-degree liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, producing 64.1 horsepower at 7,500 rpm. With its characteristic dual exhaust on both the sides, it sounds as amazing as this poppy red color. We shall come to the sound in a few seconds, but until then, enjoy this cinematic sequence. Let's hear this motor now. So now you have seen the motorcycle, you have heard how it sounds. I'll run you through the motorcycle now very fast, and after that we'll go for a short spin on this beast. The first thing you'll see is this fuel cap arrangement, which is on the right hand side of the tank. Next you'll see that this bike is very height friendly, like the shorter riders will love this ride. After that are these exhaust, which looks amazing. Later we can see Triumph's build quality. It is top notch, and attention to detail, Triumph logos everywhere, it's perfect. On the left side of the handlebar we have your normal toggle switch for your side lights and your horn, and mode and I button. We'll discuss about the I button in a few seconds. On the right we have the engine kill switch integrated with the ignition button and a hazard. So coming to the instrument cluster, the swipe is for the analog speedometer, and it has display of all the necessary information needed on the small consoles. Outside you can see those two side light indicators, your high beam and your neutral gear indicator. On the inside we have ABS and engine light and other indicators. With the mode button you can change from road to rain, and with the I button you can go through the menu, which were on the left hand side of the handlebar. So now you have seen the motor, you have heard it, and you also had a brief explanation about it from me. So now let's just go for a ride. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe for more videos like these. Motorcycle and travel content is what I do on this channel. My name is Amoghhh. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel AmgK. And if you're here for the first time, I would love to see you all subscribe and come again and again and again. Whatever thoughts you all have about this video, about this motorcycle, leave them in the comment section below. I read each and every comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.